Hello dear students, very good morning. How are you? And dear student, today I am going to start muscles injury. So muscles injury and its management. So in muscles injuries, you have to read about the topic, the muscles injuries, cramp, strain, sprain. So first of all, you have to understand about the cramp. What is cramp? So about the cramp, you have to read now. Are you watching on screen? Cramp is inability of muscles to contract properly, causing severe pain over affected part. In other words, this is unbalanced contraction of muscles. The causes of the cramp are due to the overstraining without rest, loss of body water by sweating, physical activity during sickness, loss or lack of body salts or minerals, physical activity during the extreme bad weather or climate, not performing proper warming up. So these are the few causes, reasons for cramp. Now we have to read about the first aid and management of the cramp. So first of all, you have to take the complete rest to the affected individual. Next, drink sufficient water, preferably salty lemon water or juices during the prolonged activity. Massage over affected part after some times. If pain is more, apply ice or cold compression for some duration. Next, preventing overextension of muscles in exercise, hot or cold climate. So these are the few first aid and management of the cramp for the cramp. Now you are watching here the cramp conditions on figure. This is a cramp. Now you have to read about the strain. So this injury is also named as muscles pull. So the strain is also called the muscles pull. It is the injury of muscles which caused by the overstress or overstretch of muscles or tendons or due to the violent pull. In other words, this is caused by the violent stretch of muscles beyond its normal limit. In strain injuries, muscles fiber get damaged or ruptured. It causes the acute pain around the affected part, loss of function of the injured muscles, local inflammation and swelling over the affected part. Mild strain is also known as cramp. It can be prevented by performing proper warming up and avoiding jerky movement or actions. Next, first aid and management of strain injuries. So the treatment and management steps of the strain injuries is referred as RICER, rest ice compression. You are watching here on figure. So rest ice compression, elevation and rehabilitation referral are appropriate medical treatment. So this is the first aid of the management of strain, and you are watching here the condition of the strain due to the overstretch, overstress. So first aid and management of the strain injuries. The first, rest to player and completely restrict the movement of affected part. Immediately apply cold compression or ice over the affected part to stop internal bleeding. Repeat this process for several times after the some intervals. Next, compression bandage should be applied over the affected part to reduce the swelling. Next, elevate the affected part above the level of the heart by splint or support. Next, after 2 days, apply inflammatory cream to reduce the swelling and give gentle muscles for performing contrast bath, hot or cold bath to reduce the swelling. Next, after the treatment is over, the complete recovery is gained by the rehabilitation referral for the appropriate medical treatment. Performing the rehabilitation exercises for the physiotherapy to the regain strength to the muscles. This should be the performed in progress manner. Referral for appropriate medical treatment. It is also referred as PRICER. So PRICER, where P stand for the protection, R as rest, I as eyes, C as compression, E as elevation, and R as rehabilitation. So according to this, the price is the same of the riser, only we have to include the P. P stand for the protection. So I think that you have understood about the sprain and muscle spool. Now you will read about the sprain. So this one is sprain. It is the injury of the ligament or torn ligament around the joint. It occurs due to the overstretching of ligament or twisting of joint. In sprain injuries, there is a rupture of ligament or tendons. Sprain is very painful and it restricts the movement of joint. There is swelling as there is a lot of internal bleeding. Sprain injuries is common to knee, ankle, wrist or elbow joint. It can be prevented by the proper warming up and avoiding the jerky movement. So first aid and management of the sprain injury. You are watching here. Sprain basically is the ankle, wrist, elbow joint. This is the in ankle the sprain has been. Now first aid and management of the sprain injury. The treatment and management step of sprain injury is referred as pricer. Pricer already have read about the P for protection, R for rest, I for ice compression, ice, C for compression, E elevation, and R rehabilitation, and refer the appropriate medical treatment. So first of all, rest to player and complete elastic the movement of the joint immediately. Next, immediately apply cold compression or ice over the affected part to stop internal bleeding. So first of all, we have to immediately apply the cold compression for ice over the affected part for stop the internal bleeding. Repeat this process for the several times after the some intervals to stop the internal bleeding, and put compression bandage over the affected part. Next, compression bandage should be applied over the affected part, reduce the swelling. So compression bandage also should be applied over the affected part due to the for the reduce the swelling. Next, elevate the affected part above the level of heart by splint or support. So elevate the affected part above the level of the heart due to the stop the bleeding. After 2 days, apply inflammatory cream to reduce the swelling and give gentle massage to affected joint. To perform the contrast bath, hot or cold bath to reduce the swelling. After the treatment is over, the complete recovery is gained by the rehabilitation. Referral for appropriate medical treatment. Perform rehabilitation exercises for physiotherapy to regain the strength of joint and muscles. So this should be the performed to progressive manner. So these are the few steps for first aid management of the sprain injury. It is also referred as the pricer. So pricer is basically, already I have told that P stand for protection, R for rest, I for ice, and C for compression, and E for elevation, and R for rehabilitation. So this is the very important things for the all kinds of the muscles injuries. Okay, dear student, thank you. I think that you have understood, and whatever topic I am teaching, you have to complete the notes, and you have to revise every topic in proper way. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you.